So the S&P 500 has had a terrific move from the beginning of April into mid-June. S&P was up about 9%. And then as we looked at sort of the environment with the tariff and trade war nonsense and concerns about central bank activity and various other elements of geopolitical risk, our view is that this is a perfect recipe, given the fact that we're not going to see second quarter earnings till about the third week in July. We could very easily see a 5 or 6% air pocket here. And I think we're starting to see that. So our view to investors was, be a little careful here, maybe raise a little cash, emphasis upon defensives and small caps, and let's sort of hide out until we see how this thing materializes, and let's redeploy later in the summer.
So you're hiding out. That's the strategy is to hide out.
And try to preserve some capital. Look, We're making money. The small cap trade's working. And the defensives the last couple of weeks have actually started to work as well. But we moved technology, for example, to neutral back in March because the valuations had gotten, a little rich. Tech had done really, really well. And we did see some concerns over the summer. So I guess we've got more of a risk-off kind of an approach at the moment. We think that will reverse itself in the fourth quarter. We're looking for a good end of the year. But we think the summer months could have greater volatility and greater chop.
You're hiding out over there?
We're not hiding out. So, we're always invested. That's what we do.
Right.
And we're long-term investors. So what could happen over the short term? Honestly, who knows? Until yesterday, we had 3 days of a down market. But the markets have been very strong. Growth has been very strong this year. Our portfolios have done very well. So we are careful, and we look for opportunities. So to the extent we're going to have a choppier down market, you look for the stocks that you want to own for the long term.
Like?
I certainly believe the long-term themes are very apparent and very clear how the world is changing. Software, how we use software differently in healthcare, genetics and minimally invasive surgeries, in technology, how we build technology with the cloud. I mean, the cloud is less than 20% of IT spending. It's growing about 30% the last several years. And going forward, it's probably going to be all of the growth. So the areas to invest are pretty clear. Investors should be patient and pick their opportunities. And so that's what we try to do.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.